Hello, this is your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. This is the chart of gold on your screen, and let's try to study the gold. First of all, let's start with the 1 month candle. Okay, so this is the 1 month candle, and first of all, the gold is bullish from this direction. Okay, so from that position the gold is bullish, and it's almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is the consecutive 10th candle. We have 9 consecutive green candles, and this is the first candle. The candle retraced, and it has retraced well. So this is a doji candle right now, and as you know, the body of the candle is in the upper side, which means we will expect the bullish momentum in the upcoming months. Yes, I am telling about month because this is the monthly chart. So first of all, the good news is the retracement is done, and it has retraced from 2766 to 2536, almost more than $200 in just 1 month. Okay, so according to monthly chart, this is the doji candle we have got now, which means in the upcoming months, in the recent months, the gold will be bullish. Okay, so let's move to 1 week candle. Okay, this is the 1 week candle right now, and as you can see, the gold is bullish from this direction. Okay, so this is the area of almost 2050. Okay, so this is the bullish momentum of the gold, and it was in the bullish direction, and as you can see, these are the most falling candles in the span of 1 year. Okay, so no candle retraced like that, almost $200. Yes, we have seen a little selling from here, 2446 to 2300, but this is almost retracement of 180 pips, $180, but this is insane. Okay, so according to the weekly chart, the big retracement has done, and in my previous video I told you the more it will fall, the more it will go up. Okay, so here we have a retrace. For example, let me show you with the help of example. The gold retraced here almost 150 pips, and after that it has completed three, almost 24002 to almost 2800, $400 move after the retracement of $150. Okay, so after the retracement of $150, it gave us 400 points. Okay, suppose 150 400, but now it has retraced almost $250. So how many bullish pips it will give this time, don't know. Okay, so let's try to come on our topic. So this candle, this ongoing candle, this close candle, the previous one is a Morobozo candle, and as you know, the Morobozo candle is that candle which have no wicks. For example, in the meantime, I have show you monthly candle, and this was the monthly candle. Okay, so for example, as you know, the monthly candle is red, so we will try to find out the red. Okay, suppose this is the candle and this is the wick. Okay, so this is a doji candle, and as you know, the body is in the upside direction, which means the gold, the prices will go more up because the market has done lower retracement. Okay, so this is a confirmation of buying in the 1 month chart. So according to the weekly chart, we have a Morobozo candle, so we will give a green color. A Morobozo candle is that candle which have no wicks. Here where we have no wicks, this is the full body candle, and this is also the confirmation of buy. So In weekly chart and in monthly chart, we have got two confirmations of buying, which means the gold will be buy in the upcoming time. This is the doji candle. Let's write here doji, and this is the Morobozo candle. So we can write that Morobozo. These two candles are the confirmation of buying. Okay, so let's move to daily chart. This is the daily chart, and as you can see, again a Morobozo candle, which means the gold will continue its buy trend in the upcoming days. Okay, here we also have two confirmations of buying. Let's try to find out that. First of all, there was a resistance here almost 2673. The market broke this. Last time when market was here, it retested this time, it retested this zone again and again, and after retesting this zone, the market gave a move from almost 2670 to 2605. Market gave a move of almost 60 to $70, but this time the gold just one day candle retraced here little, but the very next candle broke the zone. Okay, so the very next resistance we have there, last time when the market retest this zone, it gave a move of almost from 2716 to 2550, almost a move of almost $200. But this time without any news, without any solid confirmation, the gold break its most two important resistance. Okay, so let's try to apply a Fibonacci level here. So the gold was buying and the selling. Okay, so according to the Fibonacci retracement, the next target of the gold will be this area 2721. But if the market break this zone, let's try to draw a line here so we can find more confirmation. Okay, and let's try to draw one more line on the next Fibonacci level. Okay, now we will remove the Fibonacci level, and this is the exact area we have got. If market somehow break this zone, break the 60% 40% of the Fibonacci retracement, then the next target of the gold will be 2820 according to the Fab level. So we were talking about the resistance level. There were two resistance level here, the first one and the second one. The market previously gave a move of almost $16, and next time the market gave a move of almost $100, $150 after rejecting these two resistance. But this time the market didn't give any respect to that resistance, and it gave the upper zone. So this line is very important, and this line is very important. So we are drawing these candles and we have drawing these lines. Now we have a new resistance of gold, this level of almost 2750. So we have got almost three confirmation of buying. What are these? Morobozo candle, doji candle in the monthly, Morobozo candle in the daily and weekly. So let's move to H4 so we can predict our final result. So these are the final results, and as you can see, there are two confirmations of the gold right now. First of all, it will reject this area 2710, and after that it will go up to 2750. Okay, the next confirmation is that somehow it is not possible, but somehow the gold can retrace its lower level and then it will go up. This is not possible for me, according to my opinion, as the gold will not follow this movement. This is a very rapid movement, and I don't think so the gold will follow. However, I can see that the gold will respect this area 2716, and this is a solid, resistance support area for gold. First time gold reject here, second time gold retested here, and third time gold also retested here. And these are the retracing area, and here we are expecting the same. The gold will try to retrace here, and if it will farm many channels here like that I am farming on my screen, then you can say that gold is bullish. If a very big, okay, so let's try to, okay, now there are two possibilities here. First of you can buy by settling your stop loss below the zone 2680, because we have a support level here, and we can think that the gold can retrace here, but not possible. The very next movement is that the gold will retrace this area, and then it will go more up and up. Okay, so let's move to H1 so we can try. According to the H1, the retracing area is that area 2701, because this is a Morobozo candle also according to H4 candle, and this candle is also a zone breaker candle. For example, market was retesting this area again and again. Let me show you with the help of an arrow. Okay, market reject this fall, market reject this fall. Okay, but when market break this, which means now there is no more further selling available in the zone, but we can say that it can reject, it can retest this area, the breaking of the area, and then it will go up 2750. Okay, so according to the H1 candle, the more confirmation is of in the buying direction, so we will buy the gold. And if we draw a trend line here, there are I have just seen a little one more confirmation of buying here. This candle, this is a doji candle, and I am expecting the same kind of candle in the gold according to the monthly chart. So are you watching this green candle? And I am going to show you a candle same like that in the monthly chart. So this is the 1 month candle, and we have a doji candle here, but not green. So I am expecting a green candle like that. The green candle will come, the green candle will come like that, which will have a body like that. Okay, I don't know why it is not following, so we can move our zone. So maybe a little problem here, so we can move to H1 candle, and I can show you. For example, we have a candle like that. So I think there is no formation of diagram. Okay, so this is the bullish engulfing, so this is the bullish candle, and this is the confirmation of buying. And in the gold we have this candle right now, and as you can see, when this candle formed, the very next candle goes up. So this is the practical example I am showing you. For example, in the monthly chart, when every time we have like this candle, the very next candle got up, again this candle, the very next candle is in the up direction, and again this candle. The monthly candle is same like that, and we are expecting buy in the monthly chart. So if we are expecting a buy in the monthly chart, then you can suppose that how many points we are thinking, almost 2810. So this was all about gold. There are two chances it can retrace like that here, as this is the zone breaking candle and the gold, and the market will come back to retest this, then it will go more up. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. I have almost shared my every minute and major points of gold. If you have also a point in your mind, you can also comment in the comment section and we can discuss that further. So thank you very much for your time, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.